Most creators are already thinking of quitting YouTube because of low views, no growth, and you have been making quality content on YouTube but have not gotten rewarded for it so far. Your views are not encouraging and you are left with no choice but to quit. But before you think of quitting YouTube, you have to think about the fact that your YouTube channel setting might be the one hindering your content from reaching the right audience. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to turn on and off inside your YouTube studio so your videos can finally get picked by YouTube recommendation system. These are small switches that most creators miss, but it makes a huge difference. When YouTube recommends your video, it shows it to viewers who have never seen your channel, and that's how you grow fast. But if your metadata settings or audience signals are off, YouTube holds back your reach. You will need your Chrome desktop version for this. Now let's head over to YouTube Studio. You are typing in the prompt studio.youtube.com and it's going to bring out your desktop version of your YouTube Studio. Once you see this, it's going to be a little difficult to navigate, but is doable. Now let's go to setting 1. You click on upload details to get the description. This is where you put in hashtag, keywords that's relating to your niche so that YouTube can recommend your video to the right audience. Now under visibility, you will like to turn this to unlisted so that anytime you upload a video, your video will be set as unlisted. Then you can go over again to the video to turn off or turn on whatever I need to turn on that video before you send it out to the public to watch. Now this is your tag. These tags are very important. Tags are also keywords that your audience are searching for on YouTube, so you need to input these tags. I'm clearing out the tag so that I can input a new tag on here. We are inputting this new tag because you want your audience, it is what your audience are searching for, and once they click on this on their search bar, your video or your channel will pop up for them to watch. Whatever niche you are into, you need to put in the tags that resonate with your niche, the tags that only suits your niche. You cannot put in a tag that does not suit your niche. You need to take note of this and do it the proper way. You need to put in tags that are related to just your niche. Make sure that while typing the tags, you put in a comma so that your tags can input into the system. Yes, a comma will let your tag input very properly into the system, whether it's 2 to 3 words. Now once you're done, you save it and allow it to go into the system. Once that is done, you are going to settings number 2. Here we are going to set our location and you will find it under channel, that is under basic info under channel. You can see this location for this channel is set to United Kingdom, which is going to affect the monetization of this channel later on because you're going to be paying more taxes, and to verify your AdSense account is going to be very difficult. This channel is in Nigeria and it needs to be set to Nigeria. I know you are trying to get viewers from outside the country, but it's going to really affect your channel when you get monetized. So this needs to be set to your current location where you are in, so you will not get any restriction from getting paid. Moving on to settings 3. For your audience, you need to click no, your channel is not made for kids. If this was not set, that means it has been hindering your channel from getting to the right audience. Kids might have been watching your video. Kids are those under the age of 0 to 13 years. So if you have not set this, that means YouTube cannot recommend your video and they cannot show your video to kids because it's not recommended to kids. Now moving on the advertisement part, you need to check these 2 boxes because you are not disabling interest-based ads and you are allowing viewers to clip your content. This is very, very important. And you are going to allow automatic chapters if you are not putting in the timestamp yourself. If you don't have time to put in timestamp yourself, you can check this box and allow automatic chapters. YouTube will automatically do the chapters for you. Save this and let it go into the system. Moving on to settings 4. Click on channel again and then click on the feature eligibility, that is the one at the extreme end. If all your features are enabled and showing green like this, then you are good to go. Your channel can use all the features that YouTube has to give you. But there is a clause. If yours is showing just one, which is the default number one, and the rest two is not showing green, then you need to verify your phone number. Your channel is seen as a bot channel and they will not recommend your video. Once you click on this, just follow the procedure. Click on how you want your code to come in and then input your phone number and click next. Then they are going to send you a code. Then you further verify your phone number. Settings number 5. Click on the pencil icon here and go to channel customization. Over here is where you set your channel banner, your profile picture, your links to your other social media platform or your links to your YouTube channel, your channel description, what your channel is all about. This description is the information YouTube gets to be able to recommend your video to your target audience. And now you are going to use a separate email where others can reach you so that you will not be prone and exposed to scammers. Yes, if you use your email address you use to open your channel can get hacked and that is not what we want. So you need to create a separate email where your advertisers and any other person, your audience can reach you to be able to do business with you or connect with you. And I'm going to be using that email address in this channel and that is what I'm going to be using. And that is it. Now we are going to get to your home tab and draw attention of new or returning subscribers to your channel. Here you are going to put in what you want them to see, the videos you want them to watch, and this is also going to boost your watch time and your views. Anybody that search for your channel or come across your channel and click on your channel, whatever you are putting here is what they are going to see first of all before they see any other thing. So you are going to choose a specific video you want them to watch, that is for returning subscribers, and you can decide to add in any other thing to this list. I added in my playlist, and once you put in your playlist, subscribers can watch your playlist and you will get more views on your playlist. And the more views you have, the more watch time you have. And if you have found this video helpful, you've watched to this extent, kindly give me a subscribe and like this video so it can reach more creators to be able to set up their channel properly. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.